How to orbit in the 3D modeling. So remember last class that we saw how to orbit, pan tool, zoom in, zoom out, that we have it in the last video. So now I would like you to see these buttons that we have here in the toolbar, these little houses. The first one is to have like an axonometric. Second one, a top view, an elevation, another elevation, left, right, bottom, and from like upside down. This one is useful if we want to do a ceiling plan, for example. Another thing, no, I'm gonna orbit a little bit this. So if we want this to be a real axonometric, we need to go in the menu bar to camera, parallel projection. So this is more like technical drafting. So now we can do again the ISO or axonometric, something like this. So we have the like this type of technical drafting. So then as I made camera parallel projection, we can see in top view that is more like 2D, no? The 2D drawing here as well. I want you to see the difference between camera perspective, that we can see like all the 3D, and camera parallel projection, that we can see like lines. That's it. So this is like how do we show the 2D and the 3D with camera, parallel menu bar, camera, parallel projection, 2D, perspective, 3D. So this is a little bit how do we move inside the 3D modeling. And another tool that we usually use is the section plane. That is all these 4 tools. The first one is to create a section plane. We can create a section plane in the green axe, red axe, or blue axe. So blue is to create, for example, a floor plan. So I create a section plane and then select this section plane, move, and I can move the section plane down a little bit, no? So then I press spacebar as a shortcut of selection tool. I can right-click of the mouse in the section plane, align view. So now I create a floor plan. Yes, this floor plan, supposedly you want it in 3D just to see like all the perspective. We go to menu bar, camera, perspective. So we have the 3D. Another thing, did we notice that here we have the line of the section plane? How do we hide this line? With the second button, that is display section plane. We turn on, turn off. If we have more than one section plane, you will see all the section planes here if you turn on this. I'm gonna show you, for example, if I create another section plane, okay, select this, M, that is the shortcut of move, and we have 2 section planes, for example. Supposedly I want this to turn it on and that one off, double click in the section plane. So you have turned on the one that you want, and right click of the mouse, supposedly I want to align this. So I have 2 section planes. If I select display section planes, I turn off that. The second one, the third one, sorry, is for turn on and off all the section planes like this. So if I don't want to work anymore with section planes, I turn it off. And the last one is supposedly you have here, do you see that here we have the section fill, and we don't want this section fill, we can turn it off. If we want the section fill, we can turn it on. So these are a little bit some tools that helps you to orbit and move inside the 3D modeling, and as well to show the project like in a better way. Thanks.